Come winter, we have these rashes on our skin due to dry air. It turns so dry that, at times, it starts causing itching, irritation, and even cracks on the skin. The only thing that can help you out in this situation is a good quality humidifier. Increasing the moisture level in the air is the only solution to the problem related to dry skin. And humidifiers do the same. They moisten the atmospheric air and maintain the humidity at just the right level. There are many products available to choose from best humidifiers for dry skin, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best humidifiers for dry skin from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Air Innovation MH701BA Humidifier. The classy 2-in-1 appliance with a bag full of features, the Air Innovation MH701BA Humidifier is the best-in-class humidifier available in the market today. With its sleek and stunning design, this popular product is perfect for blending with your beautiful home decor. Also, its large water tank offers up to 96 hours of smooth and efficient service. It is a whisper-quiet humidifier that operates with an unbelievably low sound. Moreover, the fine and thin mist that this advanced humidifier produces makes it a much more suitable choice even for vulnerable populations like patients with asthma, sinus, and so on. The smart control panel of the appliance offers relatively easy usage through the convenient remote control. It consists of a lavish circular digital screen surrounded by top-quality touch buttons. The unit features an antibacterial base along with impressive ceramic filters for added convenience in terms of hygiene. Number 2. Levoit Warm and Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. Levoit Ultrasonic Humidifier is a large and powerful humidifier that is suitable for bulkier operations. It has a strong unit that blows mist at a fast and powerful rate to quickly affect great surroundings up to 753 sq-feet in area, with a high 450 ml per hour speed. Moreover, this large unit, with a capacity of 1.5 gallons, won't demand any refilling for durations as long as 3 days. The device also comes with an easy touch-operated control panel, with a large LED screen that allows altering the type of mist to warm or cool. You can also control the unit using the handy and good quality remote control. The unit is compatible with essential oils to enjoy a refreshing aroma, along with the comfortable mist. Number 3. Dyson AM10 Humidifier. With its extraordinary looks and extremely hygienic operation, the Dyson AM10 Humidifier is an ideal tabletop humidifier. The unit's eye-popping design with a polished chrome finish and a unique oval nozzle make it look like a decorative article, which is an essential part of your overall home decor. Also, the ultraviolet technology of this gadget not only offers you a whisper-quiet performance, but also kills up to 99.99% of harmful bacteria in your ambience. Moreover, this office-certified humidifier features an easy touch-button control panel that gets even more user-friendly through the magnetic remote control. The patented air multiplier technology spreads refreshing mist throughout your surroundings to give a comfortable and refreshing air to breathe. Number 4. Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier. Honeywell Cool Mist Humidifier is a compact and hygienic humidifier that comes with some of the handiest features. It is easiest to refill units, thanks to the user-friendly top-fill design with the white tank opening. Moreover, this premium device is a well-finished unit with an adjustable mist outlet and a highly functional illuminated tank window. Besides, the no-filter unit, coupled with UV light purification, offers a smoother and more productive performance without compromising your ambience's hygiene. The humidifier also features an additional essential oil therapy that allows you to add drops of mood-refreshing aromatic oils, spread all around your environment consistently. Number 5. Honeywell HCM350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Honeywell has generally received positive reviews from consumers who purchase its products. Although some customers complained about constant maintenance and replacement of filters, most reviews say their humidifiers work effectively, are quiet, and are easy to clean. Honeywell HCM350 is an affordable console-type cool mist humidifier that uses an evaporative system. It uses UV technology to eliminate impurities like water-bred germs and bacteria. The humidifier also has a self-regulating system that prevents over-humidification of the room. The HCM350 lacks many key features like a low water indicator, an automatic shut-off feature, and a humidistat for monitoring humidity. Still, it makes up for it with its performance. For a humidifier covering a 500 sq-feet room space, the HCM350 runs quietly, producing only pleasant white noise. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.